All these links will be in the description. And if you didn't know, the 22nd Conference on Planned and Inadvertent Weather Modification is coming up. Papers on the 22nd Conference of Planned and Inadvertent Weather Modification are solicited on the following: laboratory studies of aerosols such as ice nucleating particles and giant CCN that act as seeding agents, modification of mixed phase clouds, modification of warm phase clouds, new instrumentation technology advances related to weather modification, recent field campaign results on planned or inadvertent weather modification, and on and on and on. Even though people don't believe that weather modification is going on, it's going on every damn day. It's been going on, and that's why you're seeing all the propaganda coming out about how they're going to have to geoengineer, because they've already been geoengineering, and they're not going to stop. They're not going to stop till everything is dead. You know, and they always got to get the numbers in here. Where was that? Ethics and Governance on Weather Modification Geoengineering Joint between the 22nd Conference on Planned Inadvertent Weather Modification and the 33rd Conference on Climate Variability and Change. The history of the ice nucleation research and its impact on weather modification. So this would be something you'd want to go to if you're in the area. It happens, I think, in January in Boston, Massachusetts. So that would be something to, if you're around there, go in there and videotape that stuff. Put some signs outside. Stop the geoengineering now. Now we're going to get into this naval communication station that's down in Australia, because there's a lot of things people don't know about this. This is the Australian version of the HARP. And before the end of the show, I'm going to show you all the HARP type facilities all across the planet. Thanks everybody out there who helps support us, keeps this thing going. Not easy trying to go against the mainstream, that's for sure.